She says she's excited for the shoot. Okay, let's get to it. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be shooting a mother and daughter creative green screen photo shoot. So I have Cordelia and Gemma with me.
Hi! Say hi!
Say hi, Gemma. Hey, cute Gemma.
Just hope she doesn't remember her headband because she tried to pull it off. And she got no hair! So she needs to hide her hair.
I'll be shooting in 4K so that during post we have a bit more allowance. Using the Sigma 35mm lens. It's like a 3 seconds GIF kind with the clouds moving around you. Now we have the blue light switched on as well so that when we put it in post, the entire visual will look a bit more natural, like there is some blue tint coming through. Okay, so maybe you can just maybe look around like the skies, that kind. Gemma, what's that? What's that? Thank you, Gemma. So for the green screen, right, I think it's very important to make sure that the background is like brightly lit. Otherwise, you will have a problem keying out the green screen backdrop. So if you can see, we have one light over here and another light over here, just for the green screen. And going out, you can see that we have 3 more lights. One is to add a tint to their faces so that it looks natural in post. Then the other 2 is just to like lit up their body. So there is a cheat code. Behind Cordelia is a bag of apple chips. 来，我们来读书。来读书。OK， 来读书。你拿小的书。
You have to do it quicker. 掉下去，等一下还没好。
Okay, so now we are trying to show that they are at a mountain reading some books.
Gemma, oh my god. Gemma, how do you act cool? Oh. Gemma, please back.
That's cute also.
Come to mama. Come to mama. Hi.
Yeah. Gemma, 过来。诶 ？Namaste. Okay. Nice. Okay, we got it already. Okay, 我 just 拍你们的一点 interaction.
Let's get down to business.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. You're going where? Where are you going? Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, then you look into the camera like set life. Okay. This song.
Yeah! 跳舞跳舞 Gemma 跳舞跳舞哇
Okay, 好了。Instagram, Gemma.
好累。
Okay, Okay, so we've ended our photo shoot and video shoot. It's a very promising future supermodel, the next Kendall Jenner. Gemma 抱抱。
抱抱，抱抱，可以吗？
可以吗？可以抱抱吗？
你给我
可以抱抱吗？哈哈，哈哈。
Oh, careful.
Bye. Remember to like, subscribe and share the video. See you next time.